Okay, this structure was originally located in Fort Dallas. Fort Dallas was established during the Second Seminole War, and this building was one of those buildings that, in fact, it was the last remaining building from that installation. I read alternatively that it was an army barracks, part of a plantation, part of slave quarters. But there was, where Fort Dallas was, exists right now. It's a place called Fort Dallas Park, but there really isn't, to my knowledge, even any markers there. But there is, it's very close by here, not too far at all, right around the corner, in fact. And let me just show this real quick. Anybody wants to stop and read it, find out more about it. So different commanders of Fort Dallas did different improvements according to their orders, and the fort was abandoned after the Third Seminole War, and this building served different functions, including a restaurant at one point, and all that sort of thing, and then was disassembled stone by stone, reconstructed exactly on this spot, which I think is kind of cool. I'm standing in front of an early 19th century structure built as part of a fort in the city of Miami, Florida state of. So it's kind of cool. Very cool, actually, for me. And as with all of these sorts of things, some of this was built after, some of this was added on, that sort of thing. It's all subject to various improvements, alterations. You can't just throw up a building and it's going to stay there forever. This is pretty cool. DAR symbol, Fort Dallas. This apparently was one of the people who Everglades chapter DAR. So to my knowledge, there aren't any artifacts or anything like that in a museum or what have you. I don't know that to be 100% true in terms of what may or may not be somewhere else, but to my knowledge there isn't anything in here. Because of the Miami History Museum's bent or proclivity, it's a better word, towards what they're displaying as Miami history, we're not going to go there. But this is a piece of Miami history that cannot be in any way altered. It's very, very cool.